Okay, today I've got a new bumper for the 2000. Nothing wrong with the bumper that's on it right now, but it's chrome. I got a, what do you know, I got a black one here to match the rear bumper. I actually picked this up, it's a cheaper reproduction. I got all new braces under here for it too, so I ain't got to transfer my the old ones or nothing. I will need the top pad for it, and then the bottom plastic deflector down there. So I got to take this one off. This bumper is actually going to go on Ma's Tahoe, because if you've seen the video of that, when I put the wheels on it, there's a dent right there from being backed into. So this bumper will be reused, and so it won't be wasted. But I'm going to pull this this bumper off here and get the parts off it. Okay, and she's bumperless now. You can see, you can actually take this off. There's see here, 2, 4, 6 bolts. There's here, 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 and then actually this thing here can stay on. You just take this one bolt out here, and then you take the one bolt off this here. You could actually leave them on the bumper or the frame. I guess they stay on the frame there. You could leave them on the frame, but I'm gonna probably reuse. I'm gonna use Ma's brackets for that bumper, because hers is probably in better shape than these. The bumper is in pretty good shape. I mean, it's got some rust on the back of it. You can see I may sandblast this for Ma before I stick it on. Sandblast the back here and just paint it black for her. But I got to take all my stuff off. There's clips here that hold the plastic deal on there, and then there's push clips. You got to push these in and pop the the top plastic off. They are all, you know, over on this thing. They're all over the place there. So I'm going to pull them off now, and then actually I'm going to paint this bottom piece before I stick it on. You can see it's gray. It's not really going to go with the whole black thing here, so I got to paint it black. I'll show you how I do that once I get it off here. One thing I noticed when I was editing my videos is this light is not working. It started working when I put the spacers in the hoods, or under the hood hinges there. So I don't know if it's just needed movement to get it to work or whatever, but it's working now. Okay, I'm working this thing off here. For anybody that's never taken these off, you pull this little push pin out of the deal. You gotta pry that out, and then you got this deal here, and you have to rotate this. So you gotta rotate that so you can squeeze this. Squeeze that together. Let me get my screwdriver, and then you pull on it. You gotta squeeze this while you're doing that. There it goes. And that's how that comes out. I don't know if I got that or not. You gotta squeeze these, and then it comes out. This thing does not usually come out that easy. Anybody that's ever taken one of these off, it's kind of a struggle. Okay, so now we got a bare bumper, except for my license plate. Top pad is off. I gotta scrub that up. To get the little clips out, I use a little flat deal here. You squish these down. There's a little clip on there. You can crush them. Kind of crush them and push them down, and then you slowly peel off your bumper cap. So I'm going to clean this up, get this ready for paint, show you how I'm going to do that. I got to transfer over the license plate deals. Also got to transfer over these clips to clip on the deal there, the air dam, and then I believe that's it. I got new braces and stuff, so then I'll have to clean this bumper up and get it ready for tomorrow's Tahoe. Okay, I like to go through with a scuff pad, scuff this all up good. Then I take some mineral spirits, wipe it down really good. And then I also like to go through wherever there's a scratch. Just take a razor, just kind of shave it down just to hide it a little better. This is so low that all the scratches and stuff really don't show up that great. But I like to just take a razor and kind of clean them up while I'm gonna paint it. Just kind of hides them a little better. And then that is how I prep. I gotta blow this off and then wipe it down one more time now. And let's see here, what am I gonna use? I'm gonna use to paint this Krylon. I've had good success with this. It's for plastics, and I painted the dualies air dam with this. Actually, I hit a deer with it, and it just scuffed the paint a little bit. The paint didn't actually come off, so it's tough stuff. So that's what I'm going to use. I guess I got the gloss here. Probably should have went with a satin, but this is what I got. So this is what I'm going to throw on there. We'll see how she looks like when I'm done here. Probably going to hang this up so I can paint, get good paint under here and around the edges so the gray don't show up. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just putting nice light coats on this thing to get it black, not just laying it on there. This Krylon actually sprays really nice. It's got a nice spray pattern to it, so you can lay down the paint really nice. Again, this is the bottom part of the truck. Really hard to tell. The only part you really see is, you know, this section up there a little bit. The other stuff is going to get beat up, and sticks and stuff are going to hit it. So just want to get it black to kind of match everything. And like I said, this Krylon is pretty tough stuff from what I've used it in the past. So I'm going to continue on putting some light coats on this. I guess while I'm doing that, I'm probably going to get my hose, bucket of soap, and start cleaning my top pad out really good. Get that ready to go on the bumper. Okay, I just pulled out all my clips that hold the air dam. Here they are out. You can see you just squish them together, squeeze them together, and they can come out. And then you push them in. Same way, just push them in like that. And I'm going to transfer these over. I've already done the license plate deals. Probably should have just got new ones, but I'm going to put all these clips in there. My thing's dry in there. I got all the coats on there that I want. And yeah, I'm moving right along. I got my upper pad outside drying, so that'll be able to put on here soon. Okay, so I got my bumper all together here, my painted piece. One thing you are going to have to transfer over. Another thing is these nuts here. You're going to have to go on the new bumper. And I believe that's it. Well, so there it is. Gotta get my license plate on there. But the fit on that bumper is actually pretty good for an aftermarket bumper. One problem I am having is this plastic is not sitting level on there for some reason, and I think that these holes here aren't as big as the originals, and it's pushing up on this, causing it to ripple here. I'm hoping that eventually it'll lay down. If it doesn't, I might have to take it off and open the holes up. Some people are probably wondering why I didn't paint these bumpers before I put them on, but I'm kind of liking that matte black finish that these have on them. You know, I don't know, I kind of liking that. So they'll be matte black for now. Oh, and I did go with the satin on that. I didn't go with the gloss. So I guess that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one.
Becky was a beauty from South Alabama. Her daddy had a heart like a 9-pound hammer. Think he even did a little time in the slammer. What was I thinking? She snuck out one night and met me by the front gate. Her daddy came out waving that 12 gauge. We tore out the drive, he peppered my tailgate. What was I thinking? Oh, I knew